Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to secure your AWS account by enabling multi-factor authentication, which is also known as MFA. There are two different methods using which you can enable MFA or two different type of devices that you can use as an MFA device. One of them is a physical hardware device, which are also known as security keys or token hardware devices as well. And the other option, which we are going to use for this demonstration purpose, is virtual authentication application. So if you don't have a physical hardware key that can be used as an MFA device, you can always use your mobile phone application as an authenticator purpose. In this particular demonstration, I have downloaded Google Authenticator application in my mobile phone, and that's what I'll be using. First step would be to log into your AWS account, which I've already logged in. On this AWS account homepage, on the right side top corner, you will see your account name. Click on that and go to the security credentials page. When you land on this page, you will see a notification on the page says you don't have MFA assigned, and we recommend that you assign MFA, as assigning an MFA is one of the AWS recommended security feature. So we will click on Assign MFA to get started with it. Now, first thing is that we need to add the device name. In this case, I'm using my mobile phone, and so I'm adding name as phone, keeping the MFA device selection as default as I'm using Authenticator application. Go for the next. Once I go to the next, the first step is installing the Authenticator application in my device. As I mentioned, I have already downloaded and installed Google Authenticator application. I'm going to the second stage, which is scanning the QR code. At this point, I'll be using my mobile phone, open the Google Authenticator application, and scan a new QR code. Once I scan new QR code in my Google Authentication application, it will generate a randomly generated temporary code. That's what I'll be adding here. Once I add that code, it will take another 5 or 6 seconds to generate a new code for me that I have to add here as well. So let's wait for the new code. Got it. I have a new code that I'll be adding over here. Once I add two different MFA codes generated by my Google Authenticator application, I click on Add MFA. That's it. Now you can see on this page that it shows my virtual device has been added as an MFA device, and the name of the device is phone. Let's see how it works. So I'm logging out of my account and trying to log in again. When I click on log back in, it's going to ask me to add email address and password. And the third step would be, the additional step would be to add MFA code. So if I open Google Authenticator application in my mobile phone, it will show me the temporary generated authentication code. I add that and I'm logged into my account. Simple, straightforward. I hope you learned something new today.